Hello, today we will guide you through how to join a Zoom meeting with ID and password. To get started, open the Zoom app on your device. If Zoom is already installed, simply launch it from your desktop, taskbar, applications folder, or wherever you normally access it. Once the app opens, give it a moment to fully load so you can see the home screen clearly. This is the main area where Zoom displays common options like starting a meeting, scheduling one, or joining an existing session. Next, look for the Join button on the Zoom homepage. This option is usually easy to spot and is specifically used when you've been invited to a meeting by someone else. If you're not hosting the meeting yourself, this is the option you'll want. Take a second to make sure you're on the correct screen before moving forward, especially if Zoom opens to a previous chat, settings window, or another section of the app. Once you've found it, click on Join. This will open the screen where Zoom asks for the information needed to enter the meeting. At this stage, Zoom is preparing to connect you to a specific meeting room, so accuracy matters. Make sure you have the meeting details ready before you continue. Now enter the details to join the meeting. Start by typing in the meeting ID exactly as it was provided. This is the unique number that identifies the meeting. Then, if prompted, enter your display name so other participants can recognize you once you join. After that, continue to the password field and type the meeting password carefully. Since passwords are case-sensitive in some situations, it's a good idea to double-check what you entered before submitting. As you complete this screen, you may also see options related to your microphone or camera, such as whether to connect with audio right away or whether to turn video on when joining. These can usually be adjusted later as well, so don't worry if you're unsure at first. After entering the required information, Zoom will connect you to the meeting. If everything was typed correctly, you should be admitted directly or placed into a waiting room until the host lets you in. If you get an error, the most common fix is to recheck the meeting ID and password for any typing mistakes. And that's all it takes to join a Zoom meeting using an ID and password. Following these steps carefully will help you get connected quickly and smoothly.